new word from the nation's top scientists on the zombie virus that appeared just 2 weeks ago. They released information saying that the symptoms to watch for are aggression, foaming from the mouth, deterioration of motor skills, and an unbelievable hunger.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for something fun and colourful to create for Halloween, then please keep watching. To hide my eyebrows, I used Elmer's glue, making sure to get in between all those hairs. I then brushed the hairs upwards using this Bobbi Brown eyebrow comb. And to flatten them even more, I used this steel spatula. Once the glue is dry, I set the eyebrows with Mercier translucent setting powder. I then conceal the eyebrows using the Mercier high coverage concealer. Once again, setting with the Mercier translucent setting powder. I then begin with the outlining of the zombie, and I do this with a white eyeliner pencil. I prep one of my eyelids with the Louise base in Rumour shade 2. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 2 palette, and I packed the colour D3 onto the lid. I then use the MAC gel liner in BlackTrack. And the colour C3 under the eyebrow from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 2 palette. I then use the Inglot Duraline, and I mix this with the colour D3 from the Norvina Volume 2 palette to make an eyeliner for the waterline. I use the Makeup Forever Colour Airbrush in Pink to paint the eyebrow. I then went in with the colour E5 from the Norvina Volume 2 palette and shaded that into the corner of the eye. I then use the Makeup Forever Colour Airbrush in Pink to begin filling in the hollows of the face. I finished creating the outline of the bones. And went back to begin filling in all the hollow areas with the color pink. I use the Makeup Forever Color Airbrush in white to begin shading in all the teeth. And painted in all the bones. I filled in the rest of my face and body with the Makeup Forever Color Airbrush in purple. Going back to the white, I started filling in small details like wrinkles and holes. And I used the black to fill in between the teeth and outline the lips. I used this Hydro Color Theory in yellow from Kett Cosmetics to create this oozing dripping effect. I highlighted the tip of the nose in pink. And I used this black from the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette to fill in all the shading of the hollows and the bones. I inserted the Sclera lenses and added the wig off camera. Mascara is Legit Lashes by Huda Beauty and lashes are by Tatti Lashes in TL24. And that's the look, guys. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see any similar looks, then please be sure to check out my Halloween playlist and please consider subscribing.
Be advised that if an infected becomes hostile, the only way to harm them is to shoot them in the head.